There are 6 simple foods that can help you move with strength and confidence again, even later in life. And the surprising part is, most people never hear about them in a clear, practical way. The focus is often on medication or therapy, but your body also responds directly to what you eat every day. Your muscles don't just weaken because of age, they weaken because they stop getting the signals and nutrients they need to rebuild. I'm Dr. Sarah Jenkins, and over the years I've seen many older adults regain mobility not through complicated treatments, but by changing what they consistently put on their plate. When your legs feel heavy, unstable, or weak, that's often your body asking for better fuel, not more restriction. After the age of 60, muscle loss accelerates. This process is known as sarcopenia. You notice it when stairs become harder, when standing up takes effort, or when balance starts to feel uncertain. But here's the key point. Your body never loses its ability to rebuild muscle. It just needs the right trigger. Let's begin with food number 6, Greek yogurt with live cultures. This is not just a snack, it's a signal to your muscles. It contains leucine, an amino acid that activates muscle repair. As we age, protein absorption becomes less efficient, and that's where the probiotics in yogurt play a role. They improve digestion and help your body actually use what you eat. Compared to regular yogurt, Greek yogurt delivers significantly more protein per serving, making it far more effective for muscle maintenance. Choosing plain versions avoids added sugar, which can work against your progress. A simple habit like splitting 1 cup between morning and evening can already start making a difference. This is where things begin, not with drastic change, but with consistent, targeted nutrition that tells your body to rebuild instead of decline. Food number 5 is one of the most effective for rebuilding muscle from within, wild-caught salmon. What makes it powerful is not just protein, but omega-3 fatty acids. These compounds improve how your muscles respond to protein, meaning your body uses nutrients more efficiently. In older adults, regular consumption of salmon has been linked to measurable increases in muscle volume and strength over time. That matters because most people experience gradual loss each year. Reversing even a small portion of that decline changes how you move day to day. Vitamin D is another critical factor here. Many people over 60 are deficient, and without enough vitamin D, muscles simply don't function properly. Wild-caught salmon naturally provides higher levels compared to farmed options, making it a more effective choice. Next is food number 4, eggs. And not just the whites, the whole egg. The yolk contains choline, which supports communication between your nerves and muscles. Without strong signaling, your muscles cannot contract efficiently, no matter how strong they are. Eggs also provide all essential amino acids in a highly usable form. This means your body doesn't waste energy converting them. It uses them directly for repair and growth. Light cooking methods like soft boiling help preserve these nutrients. Now we move to food number 3, raw spinach. This might seem simple, but it contains compounds that support muscle strength and endurance in a very direct way. When consumed raw, especially blended, its nutrients become more bioavailable. Spinach also supports oxygen delivery to muscles and provides magnesium, which is essential for muscle relaxation and preventing stiffness. Without enough magnesium, even strong muscles can feel tight and fatigued. At this point, you're not just feeding your body, you're actively guiding it back towards strength and stability. Food number 2 is not a single item, but a combination: black beans and lentils. Together, they form a complete protein profile, meaning they supply all essential amino acids when combined. This is especially valuable for maintaining muscle over longer periods. What makes this combination unique is its slow digestion. Instead of a quick spike, it provides a steady release of nutrients over several hours. This helps maintain muscle repair throughout the day, rather than in short bursts. They also support gut health and reduce inflammation, both of which play a role in how quickly your muscles recover after daily activity. When your recovery improves, your strength follows. Finally, food number 1 is something many people overlook: grass-fed beef liver. It is one of the most nutrient-dense foods available. It contains compounds that protect muscle tissue and support energy production at a cellular level. It's especially rich in B12, iron, and cofactors that support oxygen transport and nerve function. Without proper oxygen delivery, muscles fatigue quickly. With it, endurance improves noticeably. Because of its potency, it doesn't need to be eaten often. Once a week is enough. Some people mix small amounts into other foods or prepare it in ways that make it easier to consume. You don't need to change everything overnight. Start with 2 or 3 of these foods and build gradually. Consistency is what creates results. Over time, your body responds, your strength improves, and everyday movements become easier again. Your legs are not simply aging, they are adapting to what you give them. Change the input, and you change the outcome.